Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to sort of do a really fun slay everyday in 2017 makeup tutorial. This is not something that I do every single day. Some days I don't wear makeup, some days I want more of a natural look. What is going on with my hair? I don't know. And some days I'll be extra glam, extra with my makeup and just do a look like this, or do this look basically. I'm not saying that you need to wear this look for 2018, but it's just a look that I thought would be fun, sort of like a new SLAAAAY 2018 makeup look. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I thought. So anyway, if you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I haven't got any makeup on. I have done my brows. I used the Iconic London Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion, and I used this side here, as you can see. It's a bit more of an ashier tone, but I've been loving this product at the moment, so definitely recommend. I'm just going to prep my skin. I normally moisturise it with the Olay, so what I'm going to do is pop a tiny bit onto my hand and then moisturise that into my skin. I normally use a lot more, but because I'm going to use some other products today, I'm going to sort of use a little bit less. I'm also going to use the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep and Priming Spray. The spray's broken on this, so I'm going to spray it on my hand and then sort of dab it onto my skin. Right, I've put a headband on because I've got little like flyaways and they're really annoying. Oops, the next product I'm going to use is the Urban Decay. This video isn't sponsored by Urban Decay. I just really like their products. I'm going to use now the D-Slick Complexion Primer. Literally just put one pump on my hand and then moisturise it into my skin. I'm going to use two that I have been mixing together at the moment and I have been loving. A lot of you guys on my Instagram pictures have been like, what foundation are you using? But I do change up, but at the moment this is what I've been using. I've been using the Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation. This is in the shade Soft Beige, but I mix it with the Urban Decay All Nighter in the shade 6. So mix them. This is 5. I mix the 6. I'm going to get a really thick brush from the Vanity Planet brush set. I'm going to use this one. This is really perfect to sort of pop on your face. So I'm going to wet the brush, mix the foundation together and then apply it. I have a 70% off code for these brushes. I go on about them all the time, but it's actually more for your benefit because they're insane. I'm not sponsored by them, but I would recommend getting them because I feel like you guys will love them, and whoever's bought them, all of you guys have been like, they're insane. So I know you'll like them as much as I do. And it's just so nice to have a new set of brushes. Like, it's just, I feel like everyone needs a new set now and then. Make sure you do your neck because you can tell when you don't do your neck. But yeah, I'll leave all the codes and everything so you can get these brushes. They look like this. They have them in different colours. I've got the pink ones at the end, but you can get them in brown and black as well. Oh, I love them. I'm going to use their flat foundation brush. I like to wet it with a makeup wipe before and then sort of moisturise it in. And then what I like to do, the same set, is get a smaller brush and blend that in on my neck. It's literally a perfect one to blend in on your neck. I love it. I'm then going to get a damp beauty blender. And I'm just going to press the foundation in, and this gives your face a flawless finish. No matter what brush I use, I always use a beauty blender after because I feel like it just makes your skin look flawless. Time to conceal. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 because this is sort of a concealer that I always go back to no matter what ones I use. It's just one that I love and I just adore it. So yeah, it literally feels so good to be back and filming. I feel like I haven't done a proper sit down makeup tutorial in forever, so I'm loving it. So nice to just sort of get back. I'm going to get a new camera, new lights, all of that good stuff soon. So you're going to have good quality videos, but I hope for now it's alright. I don't think the quality's bad, but I feel like it could be better. You know what I mean? Right, now I've caked my face with concealer. I'm now going to blend that in. I go through about 10 makeup wipes when I'm doing my makeup because makeup goes everywhere and it's really annoying. So I always start from the outside because you don't want to push the concealer anywhere else where you've actually applied it. So always start at the outside and then go in. That's my little tip. And then more of the concealer will sort of be based here because it'll be pushed, and for me anyway, that's where my bags are, so that's why I do it this way. And then always look up because I don't know if it's just me, but I get really bad creases underneath my eyelids, but I have to flatten them out. Moving on to the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in transparent. What brush can I use? For underneath my eyes, I use this one from Iconic London because the shape of it is literally perfect because it's pointy, so it's going to get in under all your creases. It looks like I've got no eyelashes, so look up, get rid of the creases on both sides, and then keep looking up and get your powder and then push it onto it. You don't want to drag it because that's going to get rid of the concealer. I'm going to use this brush from the Vanity Planet brush set. I just love these brushes, they match my nails. This is my favourite brush in the whole set because I love it, but it's so upsetting when it gets really dirty and you're like, no. I'm literally just going to use the same powder and powder my whole face. What I'm going to do. Right, let's get my top lip back because the foundation's taking it. There we go. Not that good, but you know. Moving on to contour, I'm going to use this Per Contour Diaries. This packaging is insane. So look, it's marble and it's rose gold, and then you open it and there's like a nice mirror and everything. I love it. This isn't sponsored. I got sent it the other day, but it's literally ideal. I love it. And I ran out of my contour kit, weirdly. So I was like, oh my god, I need a contour kit. Can you believe I get sent so much makeup? I have a lot of makeup and I have no contour kits left. But luckily I got this one. I did get sent one actually, that's a lie. Got this. Anyway, oh my god, I'm getting so like, don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna basically, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a line between each of these. What I like to do is go like this. I just like to mix all of the colours together. I use this brush from Iconic London. It was in their calendar, but I believe they do sell this anyway. And this brush is perfect to sort of get that halo look for contour. And it's really nice to just easily dust it on. And you want to do it in your jawline. The next step I like to do is my cheekbones. I move on to a different brush because this one's a bit too thick. This is the Vanity Planet. It's like their, oops. Oh, it has, oh my god. It has names on it now. I didn't realise that for so long with the Kabuki one. They never had names on the brushes, but now I can be like the angled contour brush. Ah! So this is the angled contour brush. I'm going to focus on this shade here because this has got more of an ashy tone, so it's going to bring out these sort of shadows where your cheekbones are, and then I'm going to move on to this middle one after. This one's a bit too dark for my contour because I don't want it to be like, whoa. So a good way to find out your contour is to suck in your cheeks and just find the natural shadows and blend it up. And then join together here. I'm going to mix both of the shades together now. Right, I'll blend it at the end. I need to do my eyes. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Iconic London palette, which is my go-to. I don't know if you can tell, but I use it every single day. I get my finger and mix Marshmallow and In the Nude together, close my eyes and pop this on. I'm then going to get this flat brush, as you can see from the Vanity Planet brush set, and use the shade Champagne Chic, or Chick, Champagne Chick, or Cheek or Chic, I don't know, the second one. And pop this in the inner corner and on my brow bone. As you can tell, I like to apply a lot. I'm going to use their fluffy brush and get the shade Taupe to Taupe and use this as a transition. It's not as dark as it looks, so don't be scared. And focus in on the crease. And then blend it up. What I'm then going to do is use the shade Deep Soul, which is this one here, and I'm going to use the shorter, flatter brush. And I'm going to sort of dot this on the outer V. Go back with this brush and just blend that out. I'm then going to use the shade Closing Party, which is this one here. I'm going to use my finger because I feel like it just works better. And I'm going to pop this on my lid and blend it in with the other colour. For eyeliner, I'm just going to use the NYX liquid liner and literally just line my lash line. And then I'm just going to pop some mascara onto my bottom lashes and then a light layer on my top. Look how much of a difference lashes make. For lashes, I'm going to use the Elma Lashes I bought these from Amazon, I think. They look like this. They are so beautiful. So I'm just going to apply that on. I have the Eyeliner, is it Eyeliner or Eyeliner? But I use the black glue and it's life-changing. Like, I can't use the normal glue now. It literally, I love it. Blush, I'm going to use the NYX blush in the shade BL11. I've used this one for months. I love it. And then what I'm going to do is use the iconic London Illuminator drops in the shade Original. These are my favourite. I use these every single day without fail. I'm going to put a blob on my hand, a little blob. Use my finger, lightly coat it, and then you want to sort of dot it on like so. And then you want to dot it, you don't want to rub. This is what I think a lot of people don't realise. Because these are illuminator drops, you saw how much powder I applied underneath. You rub it, your powder's going to come off. So you need to slowly push it into the skin and blend it, and then it won't budge your powder foundation anywhere. What I like to do is sort of set the highlighter in place. I'm going to use the shade that I use for my inner corners here, but just use my finger. And this point you don't have to dab, you can sort of really lightly blend it in, and it literally looks incredible. And then lips, I'm going to do the same because I haven't found a lip combo that's as good as what I use now, and I try and use other ones and they just don't compare. So if you've watched my videos for a while, you're probably going to hate me because I'm using the same. But this is the Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips. It's really hard to do when I talk, so I'll be with you in a minute. And I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade number 9 Corset, and just pop that over the top. Now for the last part, my boyfriend says when I spray this on my face, that's when he knows he needs to start getting ready. Like, how funny is that? So when I start spraying, he like gets in the shower. Ugh. I'm going to spray the M&K All Nighter. No, this is the Chill Setting Spray. My All Nighter run out, so I'm going to use this one. As you can see, I like to drown my face in it and then just sort of dry it with your hands. So everyone, this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Look at my glow. If you have, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Let's check our subscribers because I feel like it's going up. 1 second. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? What's it on? 39602. So if you haven't subscribed, then it'd be amazing if you could. We're literally under 10k away from 400k. That literally blows my mind. I just can't go over it, so I just can't. But anyway, I'm not gonna cry. Thank you all so much for your support. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, I've just said that, give it a thumbs up, give it another thumbs up. And I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye.